all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, your studies will start, and we have already completed our lesson number 1 in April month. Now from your July month syllabus, we have started our lesson 2, the making of the missile man. Now students, there are 3 questions given here, like who was the 11th president of our country? हमारे देश के जो 11वें राष्ट्रपति थे वो कौन थे? What had he been before taking office as president? उन्होंने प्रेसिडेंट का ऑफिस लेने से पहले क्या किया था, वो कहाँ काम करते थे? Why is he called the missile man? और उन्हें मिसाइल मैन क्यों कहा जाता था? So while reading this chapter, we know all these things, that what the chapter is about to whom. You see here the picture is given to you. He is our 11th president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th president of our country. Now students, I summarize the chapter to you. The 11th president of India, Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam, is known as the missile man. He belonged to a middle class family. His father was a poor man. He learned to respect all religions from his father. He read not only Quran but also the Gita. His family made its living by faring pilgrims between Dhanushkodi and Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. But a devastating cyclone destroyed their boat. He helped his family through the crisis by collecting tamarind seeds and selling them to a shop. He also helped his cousin in selling a Tamil newspaper, Dinamani. Now he had great interest in studies. He also wrote poems in Tamil and English. There was no electricity in house, so he studied in the dim light of kerosene lamp. His passion for flying inspired him to design SLV-3. SLV-3 means Satellite Launch Vehicle. Now Ramananda Shastri was his close friend. They sat together in class. Once a teacher asked Kalam to sit at the back because he did not like a Muslim sitting next to a Brahmin. This made Ramananda cry. Ramananda's father then told the teacher that this would breed communalism. Kalam got admission in Madras Institute of Technology in Aeronautics branch. His sister paid his fees by mortgaging her ornaments. He was conferred with awards such as Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna, and he became the President of India on 25th July 2002. The day was celebrated as a festival in his school. And in his school, during the assembly, the teachers showered praise on him and exhorted the students to emulate his example. So students, here this is the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or we call him Missile Man. Here there is glossary. Here you find the meaning of hard words which comes in your lesson, like beach, breed, bestow, confer, crisis, devastating, episode, emulate, eminent, gesture, miracle, orthodox, pursue, passion, perseverance, redeem, tolerate, mortgage, exhort, ferry, aeronautics. So here students, you find all the meaning of hard words. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it. Now here from your exercise, you have to read and learn all these words. Faring, passion, prominent, determination, pilgrims, tolerate, agony, verge, gesture, perseverance, mortgage commitment. So students, here I give you the summary of that lesson. So you have to read it and try to understood it once again.